Hi beautiful people, I am Tiff Michelle and welcome to the channel. On this video I am reviewing the Outre EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every5 in the color 1B. So if you want to see this review, please keep watching. Hi beautiful people. So this is Outre's EveryWear Every5 in the style 1B. She's long and she had the standard 2 combs in the front, comb at the nape, and the adjustable straps. The parting space was a little narrow for me, so I went in and pulled some hair out. This is how she looked afterwards. The lace was very nice. It was a pretty beige. It was a really light beige. It was hard to see it on the canvas head. Outre does really good with their lace, I think. So I decided I didn't want any baby hairs, so I plucked them all. But later on I recreated them, I guess. It was really hard plucking this unit. But after I was going in to kind of pluck the density back a little bit further, I seen that there was a black just wig cap. The lace doesn't go all the way back. It's just really at the front. So I just plucked a little bit of area I could at the very front. And I think that's probably why, for me, it kind of looked like that. That's the hair that I took out of there. And cutting the lace was really easy. I got these small scissors from my local beauty supply, and they really work well. This is sped up, you guys, so always remember to take your time with this lace. It takes a minute, especially if it's good lace and you don't want to mess it up. So take your time. It doesn't go as fast as this video. It's a whole lot slower. I just sped it up so you guys weren't watching 7 minutes worth of lace cutting. But do take your time because you're spending your money on this and you don't want to mess it up with the nip of some scissors. And if you take your time, you'll do a very good job. And the more you do it, the better you'll get. So I went in with my Sephora Microsmooth in deep, in the parting space, and on the very front. The wig cap fit me loosely. I didn't have any issues with her, except when I put her on, she kind of looked very 70-ish. But the wig cap is big head friendly. So my head is a 22 inch. If you have a bigger head than I do, it definitely will fit you. I'm taking the clips out. I thought she was really pretty. Like, you know, I've been doing a lot of color lately and I just decided on the 1B for this. And I really like it. The color. I went in with the Sephora Microsmooth in the party space on top and in the front. I went in with the hot comb because it was a little humpy in the very front. My hot comb was on 350, and again, she is heat safe, so don't worry about it. As long as you're not cooking her at 400, like go in at 350, and you should be fine. I just was looking at it like, okay. So then I went back and decided I did want baby hairs. So, but I had plucked them all. So I went back in and got some hair out and just kind of clipped it up. Yeah, I was a little worried, but it worked out okay. Thank goodness. The scissors are, I don't know, sometimes. But hopefully you don't have the issues I do. If you do, then it's quite all right. We're going to figure it out. So I went in with the Got to Be Glued in the black. Be careful with this because a little goes a long way. And if you use too much, it'll get super sticky and it dries quickly and it's really hard to work with. So just in case it gets super sticky on you and you can't do anything with it, go in with like a towel with hot water and just rub it off and start over. It's an easy fix. I've done it a couple of times, so just in case you didn't know, you can just rub on it. So one side I thought was a little too long. I went in and cut some more baby. I cut the baby hair down a little bit more and tried to finesse the baby hair. I'm not really a baby hair girl, so if you can give me any tips on how to swoop the baby hairs, I'd appreciate it. All right, beautiful people. So this is Outre's EveryWear lace front wig in the style Every5 in the color 1B. This wig has HD transparent lace in the T parting space and is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The hairline is not pre-plucked on this wig, and I am so used to the melted hairline that I think I have gotten spoiled. I pulled a lot of hair out of the parting space and it's still small. And the front just, you know, the melted hairline has spoiled me. But you can pull this off. It's doable. You can do it. And the rest of the wig, like the lace was very nice. I don't have that much shedding. It's not tangling. The hair is very soft. You know, other than the lace front not being pre-plucked and the parting space that is super small, I don't really have any complaints about it. I think it's a super cute wig. It is extra long. I would say 20 to 24 inches. Comes below, like right here at my chest, and I'm 5'8", so it's right here at my chest. And it's a beautiful color. Like, you know, I don't have any complaints about it. Like I said, it was easy to style. It came out of the box just like this. I think it is very cute. It's just I'm so used to the melted hairline and just used to having a little, at least a little pre-pluckage, you know, just to not have to go in. I pulled a lot of hair out and I showed, and still it still just looks very unnatural. So kind of wiggy, but it's a wig, so what can you do? Other than that, I don't have any complaints about it. So if you like this EveryWear Every5 lace front wig, I will have her information in the description box and everything I have on my face. Like, subscribe, and share. Join the family. I'd love to have you here. I'll see you next time, guys.